think it's really important that you log out of your emails or anything like that, just because I've had times where I've gone on computers and actually seen other people's social medias up, and I easily, like, not being me, but somebody else easily could just change some of your social media stuff and really make you look bad out there on the internet.
I always log out of my email for security reasons because one time I got hacked and it wasn't good. I felt a loss of privacy.
IT Support Services supports the campus, faculty, staff, and students with their use of information technology. We've always experimented with how to make those computers more secure. It's always the best recommendation. If you log into anything on a public computer, you log out when you're done. Don't just close the browser window. Actually click a logout link. And that goes for any kind of service, whether it's a bank, or Blackboard, or a portal, or anything that you log into, you should log out of on a public computer. You also want to be very vigilant for anything on your computer that looks out of the ordinary. Be very familiar with the little icons down by the clock, on a Windows machine, and you see the little icons that represent things like your antivirus software or other applications that are running. If you see new ones show up that you don't know about, you may have been infected, and so you need to call somebody and you need to get that fixed. If you see a pop-up window that has a message for you, don't just click OK without reading it. Make sure you read the message and make sure you're not agreeing to install something bad. You want to be very careful about reading the screen, clicking no or cancel if it's not something you're doing, to make sure you don't get infected. On our systems, we have antivirus installed everywhere. But on your own computers, you should make sure that you always have antivirus installed and that it's up to date and patched, and that if your Windows computer needs to be patched or your Java needs to be patched, that you always perform those patches. Because there are vulnerabilities in software that will then be exploited by the bad guys, so to speak, to install bad software on your computer. So you want to avoid that.
For more information on our stories, you can go to theorion.com.